Hey guys, let's talk honestly for a minute. Ever used AI to write something important and then worried about getting caught? That moment of panic when you think, what if my teacher or boss figures this out? Yeah, I've been there too. With AI detectors getting smarter every day, using AI for writing has become pretty risky. That's why I found Rewritify AI, a tool that takes AI written content and makes it sound completely human. I've tested it against popular detectors like Originality and GPTZero, and it actually works. In today's video, I'll show you how this tool transforms robotic AI text into natural-sounding writing that passes detection tools while keeping the original meaning intact. Let's try it with a real example. I'm going to write an essay on the topic: how meditation benefits students in a fast-paced digital world. This topic is especially relevant today, with so many distractions around us. To write this, I'm using HIX.AI and DeepSeek R1 model. It's designed for reasoning-based tasks, which is why I chose it. Let's give it a few seconds to do its job. And there we go. The essay is now complete. Now that it's done, I've copied the full essay. Next, we'll test how detectable it is by using a few popular AI detection tools. First, let's try Originality AI. This tool is widely used by teachers, editors, and content reviewers, so it's a good benchmark. It might take a few moments to analyze the content. All right, the scan is complete, and as you can see, it's marked the entire essay as 100% AI generated. Let's try another tool, GPTZero. Just like before, I'm pasting in the same essay and letting it run the scan. And again, it's been flagged as AI written. And that's exactly where Rewritify AI comes in. Honestly, no matter which AI detector I use, they all seem to agree this text was clearly written by AI. And that's exactly where Rewritify AI comes in. This tool was built for situations like this. Simply search for Rewritify AI on Google and visit the official website at Rewritify.ai. To get started, you'll need to log in. I already logged into my account. Now I'm pasting the same essay into the tool. Here's the cool part. With just one click, Rewritify runs the content through multiple AI detectors. You don't have to waste time checking each one manually. As expected, all the detectors still confirm the same thing. The original essay is AI written. Now let's try the feature that really matters, the humanize button. This is where the magic happens. With a single click, Rewritify rewrites the entire essay to sound like it was written by a real person. And just like that, the essay has been completely transformed. It still keeps the original meaning and ideas, but now it flows naturally, like something you'd expect from a human writer. Most importantly, it now passes every AI detection tool. None of them are flagging it as AI generated anymore. You can even read the rewritten version yourself. But just to be sure, let's manually test the new version with the same tools we used earlier. I'm copying the rewritten essay and pasting it back into Originality AI. After scanning, it now shows 100% human written. I ran it through the other tools too, and the results are consistent across the board. So that's how Rewritify AI works. I've got to say, I'm really impressed with Rewritify AI. It took an essay that was obviously written by AI and turned it into something that actually sounds like a person wrote it. It kept the meaning the same but made it flow naturally, and most importantly, it passed every detection tool I tried. If you're someone who uses AI to help with writing, this tool can seriously save you a lot of stress. It's simple and actually works, which is kind of rare these days. So yeah, definitely give it a try if you haven't already. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and visit Rewritify writing tool, link in the description below. See you in the next one.